To secure the critical raw materials that fuel our modern civilization, from the steel in your car to the energy powering your home, mankind had to build mechanical gods capable of tearing open the earth. Today, we are dropping directly into the brutal reality of open-pit operations to see exactly how these heavy giants conquer thousands of tons of rock every single minute. This journey will show you the precise technical strategies and high-stakes engineering required to keep global industries alive, proving that what looks like pure chaos is actually a masterclass in industrial precision. Deep within the rugged, unforgiving volcanic landscapes of Iceland, a 50-ton industrial giant is deployed to conquer vertical terrain that would crush lesser machines. The Caterpillar D9T bulldozer was engineered specifically to master high-stakes earth-moving operations, where sheer pushing power is a matter of survival. Underneath its heavily armored hood beats a Cat C18 Acert engine, unleashing up to 436 net horsepower of pure, unyielding torque directly to its heavy-duty tracks. This mechanical titan operates right on the edge of a sheer quarry high wall, relentlessly shoving massive cascades of fractured basalt and rock over the cliffside. The air vibrates with the deep, guttural grunt of the diesel engine fighting gravity, matched by the terrifying crunch of tectonic debris grinding beneath its massive steel blade. Standing as tall as a two-story house, its low-slung, aggressive profile projects pure, concentrated stability against the stark Icelandic backdrop. By clearing the treacherous upper high walls, the D9T safely preps the lower benches for excavation, proving itself as a vital pioneering asset in dangerous mining zones. It is a true testament to human ingenuity, allowing a single operator to confidently tame the most unstable slopes on the planet. When mining operations require high-speed mobility combined with immense lifting capacities, they call upon the Caterpillar 990 wheel loader. Driven by a high-output engine delivering over 600 horsepower, this colossal loader channels massive breakout force into its bucket to tear through compacted material. Watch as it aggressively charges into blasted rock piles, filling its 13 cubic yard bucket to the brim in seconds. The mechanical symphony is deafening, defined by the high-pitched whine of heavy hydraulics blending with the authoritative roar of the Cat engine. Towering on massive steel-chained tires that stand taller than an average man, its physical presence commands respect. In this high-efficiency cycle, the 990 seamlessly matches with the legendary 100-ton Caterpillar 777 dump truck. This perfect operational synergy ensures the truck is loaded to maximum payload capacity with flawless precision, minimizing cycle times. In the heart of the South Frostburg open-pit coal mine in Maryland, an extraordinary display of heavy material handling is unfolding. Here, the legendary Caterpillar 992 wheel loader reigns supreme, an engineering marvel harnessing a Cat 3508B diesel engine that churns out 800 horsepower. This industrial powerhouse possesses the raw muscle to lift up to 24 tons of heavy rock in a single pass. It effortlessly scoops up colossal fragments of overburden, maneuvering with an agility that defies its massive physical footprint. The pit is filled with the thunderous roar of the V8 engine and the sharp hiss of high-pressure hydraulic lines. Rolling on giant tires equipped with heavy-duty rock chains, the 992G dominates the pit floor like an armored beast. It works in perfect harmony with a fleet of Caterpillar 777 haul trucks, forming a synchronized loop of nonstop production to keep the entire operation running smoothly. while wheel loaders offer unmatched mobility. The true kings of high-volume excavation rely on tracks, and this next powerhouse sets a new benchmark for speed. Step inside a high-demand coal mine managed by Caterpillar Mining Works, where a true masterpiece of heavy excavation is rewriting the rules of production efficiency. This is the Caterpillar 6015B hydraulic excavator, a massive 150-ton engineering marvel designed specifically to maximize material throughput while minimizing operating costs. What sets this operation completely apart is its mind-boggling efficiency. The 6015B expertly loads heavy dump trucks in just 2 devastating passes. Its long, heavily reinforced boom and massive bucket dominate the visual landscape, moving with a fluid, terrifying precision that showcases the operator's elite skill. A continuous, never-ending influx of trucks arrives at the loading area, creating a flawless, high-velocity rhythm that completely eliminates operational downtime. This highly streamlined process turns the excavation site into a beautifully orchestrated, high-speed assembly line of raw industrial productivity. If you are enjoying this deep dive into the world's most powerful industrial giants, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel right now so you never miss another heavy machinery journey. At Scottish Coal's rain-swept Ponesque open-cast coal site, where a legendary giant of European engineering commands the pit. The TEREX RH120E is a colossal hydraulic mining shovel, weighing in at an incredible 300 tons, built to endure the most brutal digging conditions imaginable. It utilizes twin Cummins diesel engines that blast out a combined, jaw-dropping problem 400 horsepower, providing unstoppable hydraulic pressure to tear through dense, stubborn strata. Watch as its massive front shovel aggressive penetrates the rock face, effortlessly scooping up over 20 cubic yards of dense material in one single fluid motion. The RH120E is paired with a fleet of high-performance Caterpillar 777F haul trucks, loading them to their absolute limits with surgical precision. This relentless, high-volume operation is critical for maintaining the site's economic viability, proving the RH120E's status as an absolute powerhouse of modern industrial resource extraction. If you think a 300-ton shovel is the peak of hydraulic engineering, our journey now ascends to the absolute elite tier of the Liebherr mining lineage. When the world's largest mining operations demand a machine that combines massive capacity with flawless reliability, they deploy the Liebherr R 9350. This 333-ton mechanical titan is engineered to serve as the primary loading backbone in ultra-class open-pit operations around the globe. Powered by a legendary Cummins QSK-45 diesel engine delivering a massive 1,800 horsepower, this giant possesses the structural strength to lift mountains all day long. The air is filled with a deafening industrial symphony. The deep, earth-shaking rumble of the massive displacement engine synchronized with the high-velocity rush of thousands of gallons of hydraulic fluid. Towering dramatically over the pit floor, its massive white counterweight and heavily reinforced boom create an unforgettable image of absolute mechanical dominance. The R9350 is shown working in perfect synergy, rapidly loading massive Komatsu and Caterpillar ultra-class dump trucks without a single second of wasted motion. It serves as the ultimate catalyst for mine profitability, moving tens of thousands of tons of material daily and keeping the global supply chain moving forward. We now step into an even grander logistics loop, where a massive hydraulic shovel initiates a monumental journey from the deep subterranean depths to the crushing mills. Witness the epic, monumental journey of raw iron ore, tracing its path from the deep, dusty bowels of the earth all the way to the massive rock crushing facility. This entire high-stakes logistics chain is anchored by the colossal Liebherr R994 hydraulic excavator, a multi-hundred-ton titan built specifically for high-density ore extraction. Driven by a massive, high-horsepower mining engine, the Liebherr R994 delivers hundreds of tons of pure digging force directly to its heavy-duty bucket teeth. Watch as it aggressively carves out the dense, heavy iron ore, lifting massive payloads that would instantly snap the booms of standard excavators. The pit echoes with a truly cataclysmic soundscape, the deep, thunderous groan of the Liebherr's engine fighting the dense ore, followed by the deafening metallic crash as the material is discharged. Towering like a mechanical fortress over the mine face, its massive structure represents the absolute pinnacle of heavy-duty industrial design. Once loaded by this giant, a continuous convoy of ultra-class dump trucks transports the heavy ore across miles of treacherous haul roads directly to the mouth of the primary crusher plant. This critical, non-stop flow of material is the lifeblood of global steel production, a testament to human ingenuity and mechanical power working hand in hand. We have witnessed the absolute limits of hydraulic power, but the ultimate climax of mining dominance belongs to a completely different breed of mechanical monster. Welcome to the absolute pinnacle of open-pit mining dominance, located deep within the massive canyons of the Asarco Ray Copper Mine in Arizona. This is the P&H 4100 electric rope shovel, a true god of the mining world that abandons traditional hydraulics in favor of a massive high-voltage electric cable system. Weighing an astronomical 1,500 tons, heavy as a naval vessel, this industrial powerhouse requires a direct tie-in to the mine's electrical grid to unleash thousands of horsepower. Its colossal dipper bucket can swallow up to 100 tons of copper-bearing rock in one single terrifying upward scoop, completely rewriting the laws of earth moving. Unlike the roaring diesel engines of previous machines, the P&H 4100 operates with a deeply unsettling, high-pitched electrical hum, accompanied by the thunderous whip-like crack of its massive steel hoist cables. Watch as it effortlessly fills the largest haul trucks on the planet in just a few massive scoops, maintaining a relentless, unyielding pace that anchors the entire mine's multi-million-dollar daily output. This is not just a machine. It is a monument to mankind's absolute conquest over the Earth, operating in a league entirely of its own. Which of these earth-moving monsters completely blew your mind today? Do you think human engineering will keep building even larger mechanical titans to fuel our civilization? Or have we finally hit a hard physical limit? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more industrial giants conquering the Earth, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next high-octane breakdown.